Hi, Kathy.
Hi, Annie. We're the Thrivealize sisters. We're gonna make a rice bowl today. It's probably one of my favorite go-to items.
Me too.
When you just need a quick meal and want something fast, we can count on these items. So we're gonna start with some rice. This is some instant rice. You can take your Uncle Ben's or whatever rice you have. It works good too. It's probably good, hey?
Ooh, that's nice.
Is that too much?
Yeah, a little bit too much. We're doing
Make
a
it small.
one person.
Okay,
And we're gonna put a few carrots.
some sausage crumbles.
A few peas. And of course, you can choose whatever vegetables you want. You can put beans in there. You can put zucchini in there.
A little bit of chicken bouillon.
And a little bit of corn. We like color, so it's mostly for color.
It's for flavor too.
Well, of course. And this is Chef's Choice.
I love that seasoning. I put on everything.
We'll put a little bit of water just to kind of make everything bounce.
Water to make it bounce.
Well, they don't sit at the bottom anymore.
And then
Okay.
we'll put plate on it. We'll just let that sit and steam for a few minutes.
Oh, we're back, and
It's been a
all
couple of
done.
minutes and we're all finished. So let's see. That's awesome. So you can see that's just a delicious
Rice bowl with vegetables and meat in there. It's so delicious. So, just if you have any suggestions for us, just comment below and
Remember to subscribe. So yeah, subscribe and ring the notification bell so that you can make sure
And give us
you
a thumbs up.
keep up to date with what we're doing. And remember, you can do this too.